Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and today my husband Paul and I are out cleaning the front of our house. So every now and then you're obviously going to have to give the outside of your house a clean. It helps protect the paintwork, and it just helps keep things looking really nice.
Keeps your marriage healthy.
We had a lot of mildew build up here because we've had a lot of rain recently, and Paul has just used the water blaster to get rid of the mildew, and now we've sprayed around some general detergent just to help lift the dirt, and then we're going around with our brushes. I've got a soft brush here, and Paul's got the harder brush that he's using for the harder areas to scrub. We've got sugar soap and water in this bucket, and we're just going around giving it a good scrub, and then we'll give everything a hose and then put all the plants and everything back here. So that's what we're doing this weekend. Hope you're having a good one. See you later. Thanks for watching.